since we've had a heart-to-heart. But you should know you've been on my mind, and there's no saying if I'm on yours, but there's no point keeping you in the dark. And I love that you're flourishing now, talking good town.